For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A day after news emerged that China had illegally occupied Nepal's land in several places, the government of Nepal has denied the reports. On 23rd August, several media reports of a survey had emerged indicating that China has illegally occupied Nepal's land in several places with the support of Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli's government. The survey was conducted by the Survey Department of Agriculture Ministry of Nepal. Government sources in Nepal have denied the report by saying that the claim was first made by a leading media house in Nepal. The news allegedly based on the report of the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Department, which the ministry has already refuted and clarified, stating that such report doesn't exist and that the subject matter doesn't fall under its jurisdiction. It may be recalled that the boundary between Nepal and China was delineated and demarcated on the basis of the Boundary Treaty of 5th October 1961 and the subsequent protocol signed between the two countries. Nepal's foreign ministry further said that media reports about the issue were misleading. Boundary markers number 37 and 38 reported as missing in the media reports have never been erected as agreed between the two countries owing to natural conditions. The government of Nepal will solve through mutual consultation between the concerned authorities of the two countries in case any issue arises. The ministry requests the media to verify the information from the relevant authorities before commenting on such sensitive matters which may adversely affect the relations between the two friendly neighbors. The report released on 24th August by the Survey Department of Agriculture Ministry of Nepal had claimed that China had illegally occupied several places spreading over 7 border districts. The report further said that Beijing is moving fast and further pushing Nepali boundaries by encroaching more landmass. Media outlets claim that data was being underreported and the Nepali Communist Party is bolstering Chinese Communist Party. The Nepali districts reportedly encroached by China include Dolakha, Gorkha, Darchula, Humla, Sindhupal Chowk, Sanku Wasaba and Rasuwa. According to a survey, China has pushed the international boundary by 1,500 meters towards Dolakha. China has also pushed the boundary pillar number 57 in the Korlang area in Dolakha, previously located at the top of Korlang. The pillar number 57 has been an issue of confrontation between the two countries. China had allegedly pressured Nepali government to not sign the 4th protocol on resolving and managing border disputes. Since 2005, Nepal had refrained itself from going ahead with the border talks with China. The Nepali government had suspended the 2012 border talks with China. In June this year, members of the opposition in Nepal had moved a resolution in the House of Representatives asking the Oli government to restore the country's territory allegedly encroached by China.